a student from your Google Classroom is a very easy task, but always make sure it's when you know that student is removed from your program or has moved out of the school entirely. To do this, you just need to click on People. We're going to be removing a student. Now, we can add a student, invite a student, or we can look at existing students' options. From here, I can email their guardian, I can remove them, I can mute them, I can invite guardians, remove guardians. In this case, I would click Remove. Now, when you go to remove a student, it's going to double check that you are choosing the right option. It's going to give you a last chance so you can't accidentally delete someone. You want to click that Remove button again to officially remove the student from your classroom.